I'll be honest with you now, that's part of my life I don't miss.
What's that?
Fooling with chickens.
Yeah.
He was my boss when I guess you might call it the first real job I ever had. I worked at a little grocery store since I was 12-year-old, but I started driving trucks and hauling chickens and things like that. We done it 40 hours up there unloaded and come back. Them little chickens were hauled down. When they hatched out of the egg, $1.25 a piece, I believe they called it. Shavers or something like that. You remember that?
Yeah.
Shavers?
Yeah.
I was proud to get out of that part of that business, and I just started hauling long haul. Do a lot of New York, New Jersey, upstate New York, places like that. And then in '80, I went to work down there at Torrington. I don't get out no more. When you get retired and you got 2 women bosses, you don't get out. Come out here and listen to a few lives and hope you know what's going on. I ain't much of a liar. I just sit here and listen and learn.
Everybody else is a liar.
Yeah, you can pretty well tell when they ain't all truth. Them good old days. Get out there and bust wood and tote it in. You had your week to do it and you done it. If you didn't, you met Daddy's leather strap. We get home and have to pull her so-called good shoes off, put old ones on, had holes in it.
We didn't get telephones until in the 60s. Oh, yeah. But
I've never seen a telephone or a TV neither till probably
I bet
58, 59, 60, somewhere right in there. Daddy, we moved back into town. We lived there where that beer joint is at the graveyard.
Yeah.
That curve. Daddy got an old black and white TV. We still got that thing. My brother's wife has.
Yeah.
Old Zena.
Yeah.
Black and white.
We had one, but I think best I remember is somebody when Eisenhower was running for president. 54, 5, 6, something.
Yeah. Chief of police out of a little town. He said it was actually in Kentucky. I can't remember what the dang name of it was now. I said, is it a big town? He said, it's bigger enough. There's 3 policemen in the whole town. He was chief. He told me to come up there and visit sometime. I met him on a cruise. He's a fine guy.
Right. Ain't you the mayor of Oak Grove?
Mayor,
Yeah.
I'm just a number down through there. Just a horsey lag. There you go. Yeah, he got, what did he get up?
About my photography, he said I'd book a wedding and get a deposit, and then I'd go buy a new camera and then go up on the price on them. And I never done that.
Do that.
Never have done that. You know, yeah, he said he had 3 people at the back of that.
That's so.
I ain't never done that. You should have been here in longer than the 60s. That's a good place to live.
This story was crafted during the Woodall Weekend Workshop, sponsored by the University of Georgia's Grady College of Journalism and Mass Communication, with the generous support of Henry and Linda Woodall.